Hello, my name is Dan Faschingbauer, and along with my wife Joanne, we would like to welcome you to LuLaRoe. In today's session, I'll show you how we set up and configured our Twilio voice message for our telephone number. So in a previous video, I went to an online service called Twilio and purchased a telephone number that we could use for our LuLaRoe business. Now in this video, I'll show you how we did a voice message and attached it to that telephone number. First thing we need to do is create a voice message for the telephone number. And I used a free online service or software called Audacity. And it's just an MP3 recorder that you can record your audio on. So you can do that, or you could record it on your smartphone. There's many different ways of recording audio. It doesn't really matter which method you use, just as long as you get an audio file of your voice message. Now once you have that audio file, you need to upload it someplace on the internet. So after Joanne created the MP3 voice message file, then you need to upload that to someplace on the internet that has access to it using a URL. So I'm going to load it up on my WordPress site of Video Pizzazz. So I'll click log into my cPanel area, click on File Manager, click on Public HTML, and I've got a folder here called MP3s. So I'll click in there, click on Upload. Now I need to select the MP3 file that I created. Find the MP3 file, there it is. Click on Open, and it uploaded. So I can click on Go Back, and I can see the file right here. It's called LuLaRoe_answer_machine_message.mp3. So now I should be able to go to videopizzazz.com/mp3 LuLaRoe_answer_machine_messages mp3, and I should be able to play that audio file. I'm going to copy that URL. That's the one that worked. Now we need to go to something called Twilio Labs, which is a subset of Twilio. This allows you to create what they call TwiMLets, which are short little jobs that allow you to create little macro files that can be played from your Twilio telephone number. So in this case, if I use the pull down here, I want to create a voicemail. I'll click voicemail, click on create new TwiMLet. This email here is where the voice message email will get sent. So I am going to put in our LuLaRoe Gmail account. So now when somebody leaves a voice message, we'll get an email at this email address. And if we click on that, we can hear the voice message. Then for the voice message, we need to put in the URL pointing to that MP3 file where we just uploaded to my website. So we'll put in that URL there to the MP3 file. For transcribe, I don't want to transcribe anything, so I'll put false here, and then I'll click on save URL, and then we'll name this LuLaRoe. Click on save, click on OK. Now if we go up here to my TwiMLets, you'll see that I have the LuLaRoe TwiMLet here, and if I click on show full URL, I'll need to copy this URL here. Copy that. Now we want to go back to Twilio. We want to find our LuLaRoe telephone number that we purchased at Twilio, which is right here. So I'll click on that, and then when we come down here, a call comes in. So what happens when a call comes in? We are going to play our Twilio TwiMLet. So let's take this out of here and paste in our LuLaRoe TwiMLet that we just created, and then click on save. Now that should be all set up. So now what's going to happen when somebody calls this number, this TwiMLet macro will get executed and play the MP3 file, and then the people can leave their voice message, and then we will automatically get an email from Twilio with that voice message in it. Let's see if that works. Okay, so I just called this number and I heard Joanne's voice message, so that worked just fine. And I left a message. And now if I go over and check my email inbox, I will see that we have an email here saying we have a new voice message. If I click on that, then I can click here and play the recording. The message plays just fine, and so the system is now up and running and functional. So I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.